Now let's just see the next question, which is question number 4, which says that in the figure, so this is nothing but the figure, as you can see. You see the frame of a lampshade. This is nothing but a frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth, and the frame has a base diameter of 20 centimeter. So let us suppose if I'm just starting out with the given informations, and I'm just finding out the solution of it line wise. So first of all, in the question it is given to us that the base diameter. The base diameter is nothing but 20 centimeter. It implies, let R be the radius of the base. It implies R should be half of the diameter, which is definitely nothing but 20 by 2, and which is nothing but 10 centimeter. So this is nothing but the radius that we have calculated over here. Now let's just move on further, and it says it has a height of 30 centimeter. So it means that we have a height of this particular frame as 30 centimeter. But there's a question further again, means the question says further as a margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it over the top and the bottom of the frame. So if we are just talking about the margins, they would also get added with the height. So that would be the total height of this particular lamp. So let us suppose if I'm just talking about the total height of the lampshade should be nothing but is equal to 30 centimeter plus the margin in the top plus the margin in the bottom. So this would be nothing but is equal to 30 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, which is equal to 35 centimeter. So this is nothing but the height of the lampshade, or the total height of the lampshade. Now further it says find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. So actually we just have to cover the lampshade. So let's just talk about the area. So the area would be the area of the lampshade should be is equal to the cloth required for covering the lampshade, which is nothing but is equal to, since as you can see we just have to find out the area of the lampshade, which should be nothing but is equal to the cloth which is required for covering the lampshade. So this is nothing but is equal to the total area of this lampshade. So the total area for the cylinder, we know that it is nothing but 2 pi r into r plus h. So this would be nothing but 2 pi r into r plus h. So hence it would be nothing but 2. We have this as nothing but 2 into pi. We are using at 22 by 7. The radius is nothing but 10, and further we have 10 plus 35. So hence we are getting the value as nothing but 44 by 7 into 10 into 45. So let's just talk about the area which is required for covering the lampshade. So we just have to cover the lampshade. It means we are just talking about covering it along its curved surface area only. So hence it implies that the curved surface area of lampshade should be is equal to the cloth required for covering it, and it is nothing but is equal to 2 pi RH. Let's just plug in all the values over here. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7 we are using over here, because it is already given to us in the question that we have to use pi as nothing but 22 by 7 for all the given questions. So pi is nothing but 22 by 7, radius is nothing but we have already calculated, which is nothing but 10, and further the height is nothing but 35. So this would be 7 into 5 is 35, and we have the value at the end as nothing but we have 220 into 5 into 2 is nothing but 10. So we are getting the answer as 2200, and the unit says nothing but a centimeter, so this is centimeter square. So this is nothing but a centimeter square. So hence this is nothing but the area or the cloth which is required for covering the lamp shade is nothing but is equal to 2200 centimeter square.